This recording is for Introduction to Computers, CPTR 1500. It's for Module 4, Excel Assignment 2. Excel Assignment 2. I'm going to start this by, so I'm in Canvas. This is Module 4, Excel Assignment 2. So I'm going to launch the assignment. And then I'm going to download this salaries Excel file. I'm going to download that file. And to complete this, I have to open that file. So if you do not have Microsoft Office on your computer, go to your GatorMail account, select your GatorMail account, and click on the Windows icon up here. The Microsoft application launcher. It's in the very corner, and select Excel. Okay, so it opens up the Microsoft Excel. What you're going to need to do, we've downloaded, after you've downloaded that file, select upload. So make sure you select upload, and then go to your downloads, and it's salaries, so I'm going to open it. And when you do that, then the file is going to open up. Now, all you need to do for this assignment is, these are your column headings, these are the row headings. And where the column and the row intersect, for example, D, column D, row 5, where it intersects, that is cell D5. I'm not sure you can see it the way that I have this recording, the part of the screen that is recording. But the active cell appears in this name box. And what for example, the first thing that you're asked to do is to tell me what data is in M1. All right, so this is column M, row 1. And so you can do this in text. You can do this in Microsoft Word. You can do it and save it as a PDF document. But just list the cell, like M1, and then beside it, list the data that's included, 2009. The next one is B9. So this is column B. Go down to row 9, and so on. Again, with what you're going to submit, list the cell B9, and then beside that, list the data, $81,298, the data that's included in that cell. All right, I know for a fact that there is at least one that I've included that doesn't have any data. So column P, row 57. So go to column P, row 57, P57, there is no data. So just list the cell reference P57, and beside that put no data. Okay, so you're going to do that. I think there's 10 cells that I've asked you to locate and identify the data that's included in those cells. That's all you have to do for this assignment. If you have not submitted the assignment, it's not too late. Make sure you do so immediately. Do so today.